Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Tasks for project management in 2025. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or just want to keep things organized, this is a simple but powerful tool you are gonna love. Google Tasks is a lightweight to-do list tool from Google, built right into Gmail, Google Calendar, and available as a mobile app. While it's not as advanced as Notion or Trello, it's perfect for solo project management, tracking progress, and daily task planning. There are three main ways to access Google Tasks from Gmail. Open Gmail, then click the small blue checkmark icon on the right sidebar. From Google Calendar, same sidebar, access mobile app. Download the free Google Tasks app on Android or iOS. Let's create your first project using a task list. Each project can be its own list. Now you can add tasks related to this project. For example, set up hosting, design homepage, write content, launch and promote. To break tasks into steps, click on a task and add subtask. Great for tracking mini goals inside a bigger task. You can also assign due dates. This makes your tasks show up directly on Google Calendar, keeping everything synced. Just create a task, then add title for your task like daily routine. And select date, time, or all day, daily repeat, and add description and my task and click save. Now click the three dot icon, add to start from here. Drag and drop tasks to reorder them by priority. I recommend keeping the most important or time sensitive tasks as the top. You can also check off tasks as you complete them, and they will move to the completed section automatically. Here's how I personally use Google Tasks for weekly project management. Create a list for each project or goal. At the start of the week, assign tasks to specific days. Check your calendar daily to stay on track. At the end of the week, review and adjust. Google Tasks is great for personal productivity, but it does have limitations. No team collaboration, no labels or tags, no task dependencies. But here are a few pro tips. Use emojis in task names to visually organize. Keep separate lists for personal versus work tasks. Use Google Keep alongside it for note and ideas. Combine it with Google Calendar for a minimalist productivity system. And that's how you can use Google Tasks for simple project management in 2025. It's clean, synced with your Google Apps, and stay perfect for staying organized without getting overwhelmed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment below if you want a comparison with tools like Notion or Trello next. Thanks for watching and see you soon.